Alright, let's load this up. Look, that would fit perfectly inside, just like that. Look at that, boom. Now let's plug some power into it. Alright. Now let's see what happens. Get a light there. Alright, check it out. We're connected. PyStream app. Your hand?
I got it, buddy. If I can't get it, I'm gonna go to the house. Thank you.
Look at that.
I'm gonna move that stuff on that.
I'd have to go to the house, but I can't keep it right now.
Yeah. I was gonna move that saw. Look in the back.
I can figure out which one it is. Probably something to do with the lights or something. I don't know. Let's see. Master lights, microwave. Let's see. Laundry, hall, dining light. I bet it's number 16, baby. What? Oh, look at that. That's it. 16. Let's put it back on. Power. Turn it back off. No power. Look at that. Power. No power. Now I'm gonna get out the damn way. Alright. I know it wasn't very far, but we still say hi, baby. Hi. And look at that. No power. So now, boom. No power. And that's literally just a HTTP server. So when I'm working by myself, I love that. I love Python. And I love networking. And I love it all. Alright. So we know it's breaker 16. Let's get a now. Look. Hey buddy. Yeah, yo. And look. You can see the Raspberry Pi, charger, everything. That shit's so cool. That's what I love about networking. Hello. Hello. Alright, now let's actually do some work.